Now we are starting our today's work. Student, if you don't have your workbook English, so all the students open your English A Siva copies. You done your today's work on English A Siva copies. Now we are doing our workbook. Lesson number 1, topic is punctuations. All the students note down today's work on English Siva copies. First, I write the definition of punctuations. Definition of punctuation. First, students, I write the definition of punctuation. The marks mean nishan, signs, symbols, alamat. The marks which used to repeat sentence. The marks which used to repeat sentence and their elements to clarify meaning. All the students note down this definition on your English Siva copies. Again, I revise the definition of punctuations. The marks means symbols and signs which used to repeat. वो निशान वो इलामात जो हम यूज करते हैं रिपीट सेंटेंस को रिपीट करने के लिए and their elements to clarify meanings and different elements to clarify meaning of the sentence. The signs which we use to repeat and different elements to clarify the meanings, to explain and describe the meaning of a sentence. We use different kinds of signs. These signs are known as punctuations. Is it clear? I hope all of you understand. The sign and symbols which we use to describe and explain a sentence and their elements are known as punctuations. Is it clear? I hope all of you understand. And also note down this. Those students started joining the class at that time, I will tell you, if you have not your workbook, you can note down these today's workbook lectures on your English Siva copies. You write these lectures on your English A Siva copies. First, I write the definition of punctuations. Okay, students. Now, there are different types of punctuations. Students, there are different types of punctuations that we use to explain and clarify the meanings of a sentence. Note down this. There are different types of punctuations that we use to explain and clarify the meanings of a sentence. I hope all the students know down this. Students, now I write the types of punctuations. Make a table on your copies. Write punctuation. We use the types of punctuations. First one is exclamation. First one is exclamation mark. The sign of exclamation mark is this. Okay. I hope all of you understand. Our first type of punctuation is exclamation mark. The sign which we use for exclamation marks is this. The second type of exclamation mark is apostrophe. The second sign that we use to use in exclamation marks is apostrophe. Is it clear? I hope all of you understand. The third type of exclamation mark is full stop. The third type of exclamation mark is full stop. Is it clear? Now, the last type of exclamation mark is hyphen. Hyphen. We use different types of exclamation to describe and clarify the meanings of a sentence. First type is exclamation mark. The sign of exclamation marks is this. Second type is apostrophe. This is the sign of apostrophe. The third type is full stop. This is the sign of full stop. The fourth type is hyphen. This is the sign of hyphen. All these are types of punctuations that we use to describe and clarify the meanings of a sentence. Is it clear? I hope all of you understand. I hope all the students know down this type. Okay, student. Now I write the next. First, we explain the first type of exclamation mark. I hope all the students know down this. Now I raise the board. Our first type of punctuation is exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Now I read the definition of this sentence. exclamation mark. It is used to show. It is used to show that something belongs to someone else, or to show sorry students, there is some mistake. It is used to express someone's. It is used to express someone's sudden feeling It is used to express someone's sudden feelings of happiness and sorrows. Sudden feelings of happiness and sorrows. For example, first one is hurrah. We use hurrah word for happiness. Hurrah, we have won the match. First example of this, hurrah. We use hurrah word for happiness. Hurrah, we have won the match. हमने मैच जीत लिया है. The second example of this, alas. We use this word for sorrows. Alas. His mother is dead. Is it clear? I hope all of you understand. It exclamation mark. A first type of punctuation is exclamation mark. It is used to express. ये इस्तेमाल होती है जाहिर करने के लिए someone किसी इंसान की sudden अचानक feelings महसूसात of happiness खुशी की and sorrows और गम की. When we feel happy and we feel sad and we are sorrows, then we use the sudden feelings that we express is exclamation. First word is hurrah and second word is alas. We use hurrah word for happiness. We have won the match. Alas, alas means afsos, and we use this word for sorrows, for sadness. For sorrows, for sadness, alas, his mother is dead. First sentence is for happiness and the second sentence is for sorrows or for sadness. Okay, students? I hope all of you note down this and also understand. Students, now you write 3 examples of exclamation mark is your H word. Okay, students? All the students write 3 examples of exclamation mark as H work on your copies. First one is, second one is, and the third one is. You write 3 examples of exclamation mark as a H work on your copies. I hope all the students now are able to write the sentence of exclamation marks. Is it clear? I hope all of you know down this. Now I raise the board and write the next definition, next type of exclamation mark. Our second type of punctuation is apostrophe. Now I write the definition of this. It is used to show that something something belongs to someone else, are to show relationship of someone. We use the words apostrophe. It is used, ये इस्तेमाल किया जाता है to show, दिखाने के लिए, that something, किसी चीज का, belongs, ताल्लुक रखती है, to someone else, किसी इंसान के साथ, किसी चीज का किसी इंसान के साथ रिलेशनशिप को या उसके ताल्लुक को शो करने के लिए हम apostrophe का साइन यूज करते हैं. Are to show relationship to someone, are the relationship between two things, we use this the sign of apostrophe. Now I write the example of this. First example is, it was Ali's dog. I write the sign of apostrophe and write S to show the relationship between Ali with the dog. It was Ali's dog. This is the first example, and the second example of this, Maria's bringing a cake. Now I use the apostrophe in Maria's to show the relationship Maria with the cake. Maria's bringing a cake. Okay, students, we use apostrophe to show the relationship or the relationship between two things. The sign of apostrophe is that in first sentence, it was Ali's dog. Then we show the relationship between Ali and the dog. And the second one, we show the relationship between Maria and the cake. Second example is Maria's bringing a cake. Is it clear? I hope all of you understand and also note down this on your copies. Okay, students. You also write 3 examples of apostrophe. Now I write the third type of punctuation. The third type is full stop. Full stop. Now I write the definition of this. It is used after completing It is used after completing the sentence. Students, when we write the sentence, we complete the sentence, we use full stop at the end of the sentence. First example is, we play cricket. We play cricket. This is the sign of full stop. The second example of this, Ali is a boy, and this is the sign of full stop. We make simple sentence and negative sentence. We use full stop at the end of the sentence. It is used, इस्तेमाल होता है after completing the sentence, जुमला मुकम्मल करने के बाद. We use full stop after completing the sentence. Okay, students. I hope all the students note down this. It's very easy.